Today I am going to be showing how to apply fuel system cleaner. I have a vehicle right here and I'm going to be applying Seafoam motor treatment fuel system cleaner. And this is for gas and diesel engines. It cleans injectors, cleans carb jets, stabilize fuels, control moisture within fuels. That's a big one. People having moisture inside of their fuel tank, such as water. This helps control that. So it's Seafoam. That's the name of the product that I'm using to clean out the fuel system. It was recommended to me. And if you look on the back, there's easy directions to go by and a lot of warnings that you must pay attention to. It says right here, it's just pour the Seafoam in your fuel tank to clean and lubricate your entire fuel system and fuel injectors and carburetors, and remove harmful residues and deposits from your fuel passageways, intake valves, pistons, and chamber areas. So it does a lot. And it's saying on here for regular fuel systems that you should use 1 ounce per gallon to clean out your system. Now, when it's cleaning out fuel injectors, they recommend 50 to 50, like 50% fuel, 50% of this fuel system cleaner. But I'm not doing that. I'm using just this to clean out my fuel system right here, not in particular my fuel injectors. And so it says, like, if you have a lot of crud in your tank, you should probably use 2 ounces per gallon. That's doubling it up. But this is 16 ounces, and I probably have around 10 gallons of fuel in my tank right now. So it's going to be a little bit more than using 1 ounce per gallon and less than using 2 ounces per gallon. So I'm somewhere between that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this entire can inside of my fuel tank because it's just like I don't feel like measuring it out, and I don't want to store this can. And it won't harm my engine. It'll just be extra cleaning than what is needed perhaps for my vehicle. So this is the can right here. A lot of warnings on it, a lot of instructions, and it's important that you read the warnings and instructions for yourself so you know how to use your particular fuel system cleaner. And you need to read your car's owner's manual so you know what to put in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get to this, opening it up. It's flammable, so read the warnings on that and have caution when using this product. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open up my fuel tank and then open this up after I read some of the warnings on here, because I don't want to, harm myself. So I'm going to open the fuel tank, get out the vehicle, and then I'm going to open the can of Whoop. So this is the can right here. Go ahead and open it. You can see right here it says pinch the cap, which I'm going to do. And I'm just going to twist it open, just like so. And inside is another safety seal right there, and that's to keep the fuel from coming out from when it has been stored. I'm just going to pull on that, and it's a little tough to get off. Once you pull it off, now it's ready to go. So the fuel door is open, and now I have the lid open on this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards my fuel tank and go ahead and open up the gas cap according to the instructions. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my fuel system cleaner and apply it to the gas tank by just pouring it in just like that. See that? I'm pouring the fuel system cleaner inside of my gas tank. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to discard of that properly after I'm done. Put the gas cap back on. Shut the fuel door. And this is how you apply fuel system cleaner to your fuel system. Now, it's going to set and it's going to mix around with the fuel, and when I just do my normal driving, it's going to be cleaning at the same time. So that's Seafoam fuel system cleaner that I just applied to a vehicle. I hope this video was helpful, and read your owner's manual for this product as well as for your vehicle before you attempt to apply fuel system cleaner to your car, because there's hazards and you can get injured if you don't follow instructions precisely. I hope this video was helpful, just as a mere guide, and read your owner's manual and pay attention.